Evans, 25 of 41, 237 yards and an interception. Another interception, this one out of the hands of Dunbar and into the hands of Nick Taylor. His second interception of the season, and Dunbar slow to get up after being popped in the back.
Yeah, he got hit hard. He got hit hard, and I'm not sure if it was Malcolm Thompson. It was in Thompson's area. But hard curl route over the middle. It was Adam Bighill. Adam Bighill, who will drop as deep as the safety at times in Richie Hall's defense. Watch this. Oof. Just separates the receiver from the football.
Tough night for the Ticats.